Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my analysis on the important Forex currency pairs. So this analysis is for 26 Feb 2021, Friday only. Okay. On Monday I'll be coming again with Monday's analysis, but this video is for Friday only. Okay. So I have got around 5 stocks for today. Okay, and the first stock is Visa, and I'm using the daily time frame for Visa, and you can see that yesterday it has made a big red candle, and uh, before that previously there was a big green candle. Okay, so what do we need to do here? I have marked on two levels for Visa today, and you can see on the screen, and those levels are 220.63 on the upside and 211.4 on the downside. So if Visa crosses 221.63, if Visa crosses this level 220.63 level, then you can go long, and if Visa crosses this level 211 level on the downside, you can go short. In case Visa opens gap up, okay, if it opens above this 220 level, and then just observe Visa for 40-45 minutes, okay, because after the market opening, market stays volatile. Okay, let the stock settle down a little bit, then you watch, okay, whether the trend is permanent or temporary. Okay, you just need to see how the stock is reacting. It may bounce from here, okay, or it may not be able to sustain the price at this level, and it may come down. If it opens gap down, okay, it may go ahead try to go up and take resistance here, and again may come down. Okay, whatever. Two important levels are 220.6 on the upside and 211 from the downside, and if Visa stays between this range, then you should not trade. This is a no trading zone for the day. And the next stock is Procter and Gamble. What I have marked on PG because you can see that yesterday it was a downtrend and it has made a shooting star kind of a pattern. We can see that on daily time frame there was a huge price rejection from above. That means it tried to go up. You can see on the 15 minutes time frame. See, open gap up, made a high of 129.9, but the price could not sustain. That means there are some sellers present in the market. There are some big players in the market who are not allowing the stock to trade above 129 level, or at 129 level. So they started selling, and as a result stock started coming down and ultimately settled at 126.5. Okay, so important level for today will be 126.1. If you find PG, Procter and Gamble, below 126.1 level, you can short it. Okay, if you find this stock above 129 level, still I would not recommend to go long because the trend is not that strong for buy. Okay, if you get below 126.1, then you can short it. The next stock is Nvidia. We can see that Nvidia has made a huge red candle yesterday. Okay, it made a high of 574, but ultimately it settled down at 532. Okay, so what shall we do today? If you find Nvidia today, okay, there will be no buying position. I won't give any buy position today for Nvidia. Okay, because after such a huge red candle, you will be the sellers will be still present today. Okay, so it will be riskier for you to go and buy. Okay, so the safe position for Nvidia will be short it below 527.5, this level. This will be your level for today. Short Nvidia below 527.5 level, and your target will be this 514. Okay, this will be your target 514, 515, 513. It means 510 to 515 will be your target. Short it below 527.5. Okay, this will be your trading zone for the day 527.5 to 513.40. The next stock is Mark. For Mark, I'll be just marking down two levels. LTP of Mark is 74.62 and I would like to mark two levels. You can see that two levels are 76.19 and 73.92. These two are the important levels for not today. I'll say you do not need to trade for Mark as long as the stock is between this range. Okay, 76.19 and 73.92. Okay, we know that market always move from higher volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So right now market is in lower volatile zone. Okay, so there is a high chance that today, tomorrow, or for the next couple of days, market will give you nice momentum. Okay, there will be nice momentum in the market. Okay, there will be big jumps. Okay, just wait for that. Okay, and you should not trade or avoid trading as long as it is trading 76.02 or 73.92. Still, we do not know where the market will move, where we'll get a big movement. Okay, but we will be getting because market is in lower volatile zone. Okay, so this is the important range of mark as of now, 76.2 and 73.9. So the next stock is of Facebook. You can see that after making a high of 267 266.7 yesterday, it closed at 254. Okay, and there was also support level at 254 and ultimately it closed at the support. So this level is very important. The LTP of Facebook was 254.69. So you can initiate a fresh sell position if you're looking for a sell position below 254.69 only, and your target will be 247. Okay, 247 is your target and short it below 254. So these are the stocks for the day. Hopefully you'll have understood. I'm posting a regular market analysis on daily basis. I'll be coming down again on Monday, okay, with fresh stocks. And so hopefully you'll have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.